So I guess we're hunting a fish taco.
What's going on, wayward sons and daughters? Akeem here, and I am reviewing another episode of Supernatural. Now, first off, I want to start off by apologizing. I know last week I didn't release a video review of the 200th episode of Supernatural, the musical, and the reason for that is because I was actually working on doing something special. I thought, since this is a special episode in the Supernatural series, I should probably do something special as well. I didn't want to just, do a regular review episode, which then prolonged for a few days, and, I wasn't able to get it out in time. So that's the reason why there wasn't a review of last week's episode. But what that means for you guys is this week there's going to be two, count them, two new Supernatural related videos. And I know a lot of you guys actually like those Demon Dean tweets, so we're gonna bring that back, and it's gonna be a special episode, or not episode, video in honor of the 200th episode of Supernatural. Yay! So let's get to tonight's episode, Ask Jeeves. It was a great episode, if I do say so myself. It reminded me a lot of an episode of Scooby-Doo. And if any of you guys out there know, I love Scooby-Doo.
I guess we're gonna have to split up, Sam.
Okay. Like we're gonna have to split up. So the boys are at it again, doing what they do best, and that's hunting demons and saving people.
The family business.
They find themselves at this immaculate mansion of a woman named Aunt Bunny, who apparently, Bobby, where are you? Who apparently Bobby had some sort of relationships with. So Bobby apparently inherited all of the assets of this woman, as well as getting some of her ass. You got some ass, didn't you?
Shut up, idiot.
Don't call me an idiot. So the boys find themselves at this supposed haunted mansion, but it turns out that it's actually a shapeshifter that's been going around killing everyone. One of my favorite lines of last night's episode was when the butler actually commented on Dean's jacket, and Dean, responded in typical Dean fashion.
Well, I hate to disappoint you, Jeeves, but this jacket's canvas.
But all in all, it was a good episode. Dean actually got to kill for the first time in a long time. He pretty much overkilled the monster that they were hunting. Which leads us all to assume that maybe there is a little tinge of demon inside of Dean still. I actually like the way that Sam put it, where he said, I don't know, Dean, what was that back there? Was that a little bit of demon residue? Demon residue? Really? Demon residue. But one of the things that was really strange about Dean's reaction to Sam's question was he pretty much just blew him off and turned up the music, and that was the end of the episode. He pretty much said to Sam,
What do I gotta explain myself to you, huh? I've gotta explain myself to you, okay?
And he just turned up the music. So I don't know, but I'm really thinking that there is a tinge of demon inside of Dean still. And we've been talking about this for weeks now. We've been going back and forth, pretty much debating whether or not there's still a little, I don't know, residue, as Sam would put it, of demon inside of Dean. What I want to know is what you guys think. Do you think Dean still has a tinge of demon inside of him? And what do you think is going to be the outcome as the weeks progress, as we see more episodes? As Dean begins to kill more. He's killed for the first time now. So this most definitely will not be the last time we will see Dean killing. So what do you think is going to be the outcome as he continues to hunt things and save people, like the family business, okay? Let me know in the comments below. I really want us to stir up some debate so we can start becoming a community of SPN fans and, fostering this sense of community amongst us. What I want to do in future discussions of Supernatural on camera is a separate video. I want to do videos where pretty much, I review an episode of Supernatural, and then a second video where I pretty much just grab all of the questions that you guys ask, and we debate them live on camera. I don't know. Let me know if that's something you guys want. Would you want me to kind of interweave these videos with the questions that you guys ask? Would you rather me do a separate video, live or otherwise? I can do this live. I have a podcast. There's no podcasts out there that pretty much discuss Supernatural in a fun and exciting way, and I would love to actually do that with you guys. But of course, that means you guys have to contribute to this whole thing. Otherwise, it's just me just talking, and I really want to talk to you guys. Because again, you guys are the only ones that I share my love and passion of Supernatural with. So let me know in the comments below, and until next time, wayward sons and daughters, carry on!
Them boys are idiots. They're such idiots. The boys are idiots. Aren't they idiots?
I don't know if they're idiots. You're the one that's currently dead and you haven't managed to come back. So, I don't know, maybe you're an idiot.
What?
Yes. Don't hit me, man. Puppet.